Hello everyone and welcome to Humber Polytechnic's tuition fee payment guide video. In this video, we will talk about different ways Humber students can pay their tuition fees from within Canada and from outside Canada. Before making any payments, always check your balance and payment deadlines, which can be found in MyHumber Experience student portal. To do so, log into your MyHumber Experience account and click on Student tab at the top of the page. Under the Payment and Account Center card, then click on Tuition and Fee Code and finally select View Fee Code. Now that you know your tuition fee amount, let's get started. If you have a Canadian bank account, you can pay your Humber fees through online banking. This can be done via bank's app, website, or at a bank branch. If you want to pay your fees online, log into your Canadian bank account using online banking. Once logged in, navigate to the section called Bill Payments, Pay Bills or Payments. Then select Add Payee or Add Bill Payment Company. In the search bar, type Humber Polytechnic or Humber Polytechnic Institute of Technology and Advanced Learning. Different banks may display Humber's name differently. When the bank asks for an account number or reference number, enter your Humber student number beginning with the letter N. This step is extremely important. It ensures that your payment is applied correctly to your Humber account. Before continuing, always double-check your student number carefully. Type the amount you would like to pay toward your tuition or fees. Once everything looks correct, confirm the payment and complete the transaction. Payments made through Canadian bank usually take 1 to 2 business days to reflect in your MyHumber account. For in-person payments, visit your local branch and ask the bank teller to help you make a tuition payment for Humber Polytechnic. Similar to the online option, use your Humber student number as your account reference number. Humber students can directly make payment through MyHumber using PayMyTuition. This option is available for students with Canadian bank accounts. Sign in to your MyHumber Experience student portal. From the main menu, select the Student tab at the top of the page. Under the Payment and Account Center card, select PayMyTuition. This will direct you to Humber's secure payment portal. Choose Make a Payment to begin the payment process. Select Tuition Deposit for your academic term and type out the amount you would like to pay. Proceed by clicking Pay Now. Choose one of the following Canadian bank options through PayMyTuition: Online Bill Payment, Interact e-Transfer Request. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete your payment from Canadian bank account. Students paying from outside Canada can use international platforms such as PayMyTuition or Flywire. These services allow you to safely send payments to Humber from many countries and in different currencies. Access your MyHumber student portal using your Humber username and password. Click on Student. Under the Payment and Account Center card, select PayMyTuition and click Pay Now. You will now be redirected to the secure payment platform. Choose Make a Payment to begin the payment process. Select Tuition Deposit for your academic term and type out the amount you would like to pay. Proceed by clicking Pay Now. Select the country from which you are paying. Choose your payment method. Follow all the instructions carefully and complete your payment. After payment is completed, save your receipt, confirmation mail, and your transaction number. International payments can take several business days and sometimes longer depending on the country and the mode of payment. Do not wait until the last minute to submit your international payments. International students must pay a tuition deposit each semester. The full deposit is applied toward your tuition fees. This payment is also required before Humber can request your provincial attestation letter, which is mandatory for most study permit applications. When making your payment, select your term and enter $2,000 as your tuition deposit, where the amount displayed is $0. International students are generally required to pay this deposit before registering for courses or beginning the PAL process. Always confirm the required amount shown on your student account. Here's when PayMyTuition becomes available. Payment availability dates may vary slightly each year. Students should always check MyHumber for the latest payment information and deadlines. Thank you for watching this video. We hope this guide helped you to better understand how to pay your Humber tuition fee within Canada and outside Canada. For more information about tuition fees, payment deadlines, student accounts, or financial services, visit Humber International or connect with us in person. Now that you've paid your fees, you're one step closer to start your journey at Humber Polytechnic. Next up, class registration. Thank you everyone for watching. We look forward to seeing you on campus.